order which was established more than 3 centuries ago by the Russian Emperor Peter the Great. According to its statute, this order is conferred upon prominent Russian statesmen and public figures as well as the leaders of foreign nations for their outstanding service. It gives me particularly pleasure to present this honorary award here at the Kremlin in the stately setting that befits the order and its statute. Honorable Prime Minister, dear friend, the order of St. Andrew the Apostle, the first school that is presented to you is testimony to Russia's sincere gratitude for the significant contribution you are making to strengthening friendship and mutual understanding between our nations and countries. You have always actively advocated broader contacts with our country. Back when you were Chief Minister of the state of Gujarat, you came up with the initiative of twinning your state with Russian regions, namely the Astrakhan region. Now that you've been at the helm of the Indian government for 10 years, you have genuinely strived to elevate the Russian-Indian relations to the level of special and privileged strategic partnership. With your direct support, Russia and India are implementing large-scale projects in trade, economic, and military and technical sphere, in nuclear and hydrocarbon-based energy, in high-tech and space exploration. It would be impossible to overemphasize your contribution to building a resilient framework for Russian-Indian cooperation in the international arena, where both our nations are defending the principles of multipolarity and rigorous observance of international law, working together for the sake of stability, global and regional security, and working closely within BRICS and the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Excellency, Honorable Prime Minister, dear friend, from the bottom of my heart, I would like to congratulate you with this high Russian award and wish you good health, success, and all the best. And to the friendly people of India, I wish peace and prosperity. Thank you.
Указом президента Российской Федерации за выдающиеся заслуги в развитии особо привилегированного стратегического партнерства между Российской Федерацией и Республикой Индией и дружественных связей между российским и индийским народами орденом Святого Апостола Андрея Первозванного награждается Нарендра Дамодардас Моди, премьер-министр Республики Индии.
By the decree of the President of the Russian Federation for the outstanding contribution to the development of the special and privileged strategic partnership between the Republic of India and the Russian Federation and the friendly ties between the people of India and Russia, the Order of St. Andrew the Apostle, the first called, is being awarded to His Excellency Narendra Damodar Das Modi, the Honorable Prime Minister of the Republic of India.
योर एक्सेलेंसी और मेरे मित्र राष्ट्रपति पुतिन, रूस के सर्वोच्च अवार्ड से सम्मानित करने के लिए मैं हृदय से आपका आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। यह सम्मान केवल मेरा सम्मान नहीं है, यह 140 करोड़ भारतवासियों का सम्मान है। यह भारत और रूस की सदियों पुरानी गहरी मित्रता और आपसी विश्वास का सम्मान है। यह हमारी स्पेशल एंड प्रिविलेज स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप का सम्मान है। एक्सेलेंसी, पिछले लगभग 2.5 दशक से आपके नेतृत्व में भारत और रूस के संबंध हर दिशा में मजबूत हुए हैं और हर बार नई ऊंचाइयों को प्राप्त करते रहे हैं। आपने दोनों देशों के बीच जिन स्ट्रेटेजिक संबंधों की नींव रखी थी, वो गुजरते समय के साथ और मजबूत होकर निखरी है। पीपल टू पीपल पार्टनरशिप पर आधारित हमारा पारस्परिक सहयोग हमारे लोगों के बेहतर भविष्य की उम्मीद भी बन रहा है, गारंटी भी बन रहा है। आज की चर्चाओं में भी हमने सभी क्षेत्रों में आपसी सहयोग को मजबूत करने के लिए नए और महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय लिए हैं। हमारे संबंध केवल दोनों देशों के लिए ही नहीं, पूरे विश्व के लिए भी अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण है। आज के वैश्विक वातावरण के परिप्रेक्ष्य में भारत और रूस की पार्टनरशिप और भी अहम हो जाती है। हम दोनों विश्वास रखते हैं कि वैश्विक स्थिरता और शांति के लिए निरंतर प्रयास करते रहना चाहिए। आने वाले समय में हम मिलकर इसी दिशा में काम करते रहेंगे। एक्सेलेंसी, एक बार फिर इस सम्मान के लिए मैं 140 करोड़ भारतवासियों की ओर से आपका, रूसी सरकार का और रूस के लोगों का बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। स्पासिबा।
Дамы и господа, церемония завершена.
Ladies and gentlemen, the ceremony is over.
So, Prime Minister Narendra Modi being conferred the Order of Saint Andrew the Apostle, which is the highest civilian order or honor in Russia. And we just saw a while back live broadcast from Kremlin, joint statement, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Russian President Vladimir Putin. The opening remarks made by President Putin, where he, of course, started with the significance of the award. And then he also expressed how Russia is willing to work closely with India in various multinational frameworks, specifically mentioning BRICS and SCO. He also, in fact, said that it gives me great honor to present this highest Russian award to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, whom he has described on several occasions in this particular visit, India as Prime Minister Modi as his time-tested friend. He says that India has Prime Minister Modi and India has contributed significantly as far as the peace and prosperity of India is concerned under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Kept lauding Prime Minister Modi's contribution as far as international peace and prosperity and stability is concerned. And he spoke about the Order of Friendship, the highest civilian honor being awarded to Prime Minister Modi, and lauding Prime Minister Modi's leadership. And soon after that, we also saw Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, making his statement by beginning by thanking President Putin for this rare honor, not only on behalf of Prime Minister himself, but actually on behalf of 140 crore strong Indian population back home. And he says he expressed gratitude for the special honor being accorded to him. He also talked about how India has, in fact, how India and Russia over a period of time have consolidated their relationship, and this is a very privileged relationship between India and Russia, in the words of Prime Minister Modi. He also spoke about the ties between India and Russia are more consolidated than ever before, but not only important for India and Russia, but for the entire international community amidst the current world order. That was the point made by Prime Minister Modi in his statement as well. Prime Minister Modi, towards concluding his remarks, once again thanked Russia, the government of Russia, the people of Russia for the honor that has been bestowed upon him with lot of gratitude.